what's going on, guys? Your boy Street Riders 209 here. Today I'm going to show you guys this custom audio that my boy Carlos at Sicc Audio did. This is an extended cab GMC, basically just same shape as my truck. I wanted to show you guys some of the audio that he did on these pieces. Basically, we worked together on the acrylics, and he did all the installation of this the custom center console. He did, you know, basically the whole design on this. It's a pretty clean setup. I think he has two 6.5s in each corner. They did the custom center console, like I mentioned. Six and a halves in there. And then check these out. All right, with the help of Carlos, I was able to design these pods right here for the doors on the 99 to 06. Gonna be throwing some of these on my truck as well. We did a custom JL Audio engraving here, and then his Sicc Audio logo down here. These were originally set up for the Scar Audio tweeters, but we cut some adapters for the smaller tweeters, so you guys can see them in there. But they're pre-done for a 6.5 and a Scar Audio tweeter, though I think it's like 4 inches. These are magnetic, so I make them to where the acrylic comes right off. I don't want to touch them right now because I'm going to get fingerprints all over them, and he already cleaned them. So if you guys care to see those, just go on my Instagram. I post them frequently. I'm starting to make some sets like these. Moving on, he did the custom amp and epicenter installation on under the seat. The acrylics is raised off of the wood platform, which gives a really nice setup. Let's see if I can get the GoPro down there. It's kind of hard to see it, but let me see. There you go. Look how clean that looks. So we did this in a clear acrylic with black acrylic overlay, so that everything pops, like the name, and then the edges pop. And then like I said, he did a custom installation on these. That one's a different shape over there because that one has an amp and an epicenter instead of 2 amps. And this truck should sound pretty nice. I love how he got all the LED, and the funny part is that you can actually see all of this right now in the daytime, and it's 102 degrees out right now, and you can still see all this LED. So I'm pretty sure in the nighttime when this guy hits the meats, it's gonna light up really clean. He's got the LEDs on the side. I don't know, guys, it's getting me excited to do my center console as well. Anyways, so we've been working on a lot of cars lately. Just thought I'd show you guys this one since it's a full build for him. You got a lot of sections that are done in acrylic and LED light up. That way it might be something you guys wanted to check out. If you guys want to hit him up for any custom work, I'm going to post his information down below or here on the screen up for a minute. You guys can hit him up at Sicc Audio. And if you guys want to see more content, more audio content, just go ahead and comment down below if you guys are down. I'm going to pick videos back up this year. I know I've been saying that for a while already, but this time I am. And a lot of DIY stuff too. But I just thought that this truck was such a nice build that it had to be shown to you guys. I am offering these with leather wrapped already by Carlos here at Sicc Audio. So if you guys are interested in a set, just send me a DM at Instagram StreetRiders29, and I can get these custom done, you know, designed for with your guys' information, your truck club, last name, anything you want on here. Different. Also, if you don't want honeycomb and you want a different shape, I can make them in different shapes. If you guys are looking to get custom audio done, this is your spot. All right, guys, stay tuned to the next video. I'm not sure exactly when I'll upload, but it'll be soon. Just go ahead and make sure you guys have that notification on. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, or if you guys just want to, you know, me to answer something. If you guys want to look at some more DIY videos, if you guys want to get more truck content, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.